Hi everybody, Rose here, and I am testing out a technique. It's pretty popular right now, but it's not new. It's pearls, pearl core, and you use satin enamels. But this wonderful woman that I've watched on YouTube, her name is Tammy Anderson Art. She shared satin enamel, the Deco Art satin enamel is difficult to find. So she shared a recipe how to make your own satin enamel. So I bought the ingredients and thought I'd give it a try. So we're gonna test it out. I'm testing two brands. One's an Amsterdam brand and one's an Arteza. So I want to see how it reacts. So what's going to happen is, there's going to be a chemical reaction between the paints, and we're going to get pearls, hopefully. So it's thinned out. I only made enough of this canvas, and then you stretch it totally out. I hope I thinned it out correctly. And no, I think it's an acquired taste, because at first when I saw the pearls, I wasn't excited about it, but the more I watched it, the more excited I got about it. And I've got my torch just because there's a couple of air bubbles here. If I can get it to light. No. Let's try this one. And my newer one that I'm having major troubles with. Sorry. Alright, good enough. And I think you stretch it out some, so it's pretty thin. If you can see. I hope I made enough. Thought I did. So before I start stretching, so this is the Amsterdam, and I'm just gonna see what's gonna happen here. And then this one is the Arteza. So we'll see what happens. So let's do this again, see if I can get this to stay on. I don't know what's my problem is. I know. Give it up. We're gonna do it two-handed. The struggles. Okay. So we're gonna try and stretch it totally off. That's part of the key to this. I'm not looking for a composition. I'm just seeing it for to see if there's reactions. And let's see what happens. Trying to stretch as much off that I can. I can already see some reactions, so it's gonna react the more it sets. So I'm gonna try and get some of that off. Okay. Different paints react different ways, so that's why I wanted to try two different brands. And there it is to start. We'll try to do this torch again. Good enough. One more. So I'm gonna leave it. So so this is the initial reaction, and there is stuff happening. So I'm gonna come back in about 10 minutes and I'll show you how it looks in 10 minutes, and then maybe 30 minutes, and then the next day. So, see you in 10. All right, so this is 10 minutes later, and there's definitely some reactions going on. And I'll show it to you in an hour, and then I'll show it to you when it's dry. All right, so this is about an hour later. It is kind of cool. Seems to react better with the Amsterdam brand paint than the Arteza, but kind of 3D-ish to me. But cool. I'll show it to you dry. All right, so here it is dry. I think it's really cool. Looks 3D. I'm gonna get closer to the cells. It looks like the Amsterdam brand works better than the Arteza. But I think I like this spot the best. Really cool, really 3D looking. I will be doing this again for sure. All right, everyone, thanks for joining me. See you next time.